Hey guys, my name is Avista Anwar and today we'll be learning about subject-verb agreement. This topic is from the book of English Language, Grade 5, Unit 3, Blessings of Nature, page 38. So let's start. What is subject-verb agreement? Subject-verb agreement simply means the subject and verb must agree in number. This means both need to be singular or both need to be plural. In the sentence subject-verb agreement, there are three words: subject, verb, agreement. Agreement means the act of coming to a mutual decision. And the word subject means in English grammar, the subject is the part of a sentence or clause that commonly indicates A. What it is about, B. Who or what performs the action, that is the agent. The subject is typically a noun. And the meaning of verbs is, verb is actually an action. Verbs tell you what the subject of a sentence or clause is doing or being. Verbs are at the heart of sentences and clauses. They are indispensable to the formation of a complete thought. A verb can express thought by itself with the subject implied and can be understood. Subject-verb agreement. Verb agrees with the subject in the person and number. Subject-verb object. Imran/he plays hockey. Faiza/she cooks rice. Cat/it drinks milk. Ali and Umar/they like animals. I offer prayers. We celebrate Eid. You eat vegetables. Now here is an activity. Fill in the blanks with the correct form of the verbs. Number 1. Farhan dash a kite. Fly or flies? Yes. Farhan flies a kite. Number 2. Sarah and Adnan dash their mother in her work. Help or helps? Yes. Sarah and Adnan help their mother in her work. Number 3. I dash to school at 7 o'clock. Go or goes? Yes. I go to school at 7 o'clock. Number 4. They dash in the games. Participate or participates? Yes. They participate in the games. Number 5. She dash her lessons very well. Learn or learns? Yes. She learns her lessons very well. Number 6. We dash for a walk early in the morning. Go or goes? Yes. We go for a walk early in the morning. Number 7. You dash your teachers. Respect or respects? Yes. You respect your teachers. Thanks for watching guys. Make sure you like this video, share it with your friends and family.